BCB has been saving lives and protecting the protectors since 1854. At our site based in Cardiff, we manufacture a range of life-saving products, including our infrared and thermal protective camouflage nets, our survival kits, and our infrared camouflage cream, which is mixed on site. One of our proudest creations is our FireDragon Fuel, an eco-friendly fuel that is toxin-free and incredibly easy to light even when wet. FireDragon produces 26% less CO2, 87% less carbon monoxide and 40% less nitrogen oxides than when burning wood. FireDragon burns hotter and more intensely than most solid fuels, and especially wood. It releases the energy more quickly, and in trials, FireDragon raised the temperature of the water 18% quicker than wood. A quicker, cleaner, safer fuel. In May 2021, BCB were honoured to receive a visit from His Royal Highness Prince Charles.
How much I admire all the remarkable work you do here. It's been fascinating to hear about the whole range of products you produce, and which are clearly so sought after all around the world because of their very high quality, and also because of the ingenuity that's gone into designing these really remarkable things. I do congratulate you, and I'm full of gratitude for what it's worth, for what you've been able to do, and for all of us really during these difficult times.